Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to fetch the data from a MySQL table and put them in a JSON file. In front of me I have a database table called products, and as you can see there are 6 records inside that table. We are going to fetch those 6 products, we are going to convert them to a JSON string, and we are going to put them in a JSON file. Let's take a look at the files that I have in my editor. Here's my index file, in which I have included my PHP script file. So when I load the index file in the browser, my PHP file will also run. And here's my blank PHP file in which we are going to write our code. And with that said, let's start. The first thing that I will do is to connect my file to the database. Next, I will run a check on the connect error number property, and if the result is anything else than 0, I'm going to echo out the MySQL connection error property and exit the script. Next, I will write the MySQL query statement, in which I am saying, select everything from the products table. The asterisk means everything. Next, I'm going to execute the query, and I will store the returned result set in the results variable. Now I will use a while function to loop through the result set and grab every product as an associative array with a fetch_assoc method. Now inside the loop, I will put every product in an array named products. The products array is holding now all the products from the database table. Now we are going to take the products array and encode it to JSON data with the JSON encode function. The first argument is the data that we want to encode. And next we have 2 flags. The JSON pretty print flag will structure the data inside the file in a more readable way. You will see in a minute. And the JSON unescaped Unicode flag encodes multi-byte Unicode characters like Cyrillic or Greek. And last, I use the file put contents function to write the data to the file. The function takes 2 arguments. The first argument is the file's name, in which we want to write the data to, and in our case here I name the file data.json. And in the second argument we have the data we want to write to the file. Now be careful with the file put contents function, because if the data.json file exists, it will be overridden. That means that we will lose all previous data that existed in the file. But if the file doesn't exist, the file will be created. So always be careful with the file put contents function. And that's it. Let's run the script in the browser to create the JSON file. I have to reload the index file. And I'm not sure if you notice it, but now we have a data.json file in the editor's sidebar. Let's open the file, and we see that we copied the products from the database table in the JSON file. And that's it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.